ADATA Technology, a leading manufacturer of high-performance DRAM modules and NAND Flash products, announces the XPG SPECTRIX D80 DDR4 RGB, the world's first RGB DDR4 memory with a hybrid liquid air cooling system. Utilizing the combination of a liquid heatsink, an aluminum heatsink, and thermally conductive materials on the PCB, the SPECTRIX D80 offers comprehensive thermal cooling capabilities and delivers outstanding performance. Hybrid liquid air cooling. The SPECTRIX D80 features a liquid heatsink on its top side that benefits from a non-conductive fluid to dissipate heat efficiently. It works in conjunction with an aluminum heatsink and thermally conductive materials on the PCB to offer comprehensive cooling. Equipped with programmable RGB lighting, the liquid heatsink isn't just functional, but also visually captivating with the fluid completely illuminated for all to see. Users can customize the lighting effects by setting up patterns, pulse speed, lighting intensity, and more. Lighting control is intuitive with the RGB Sync app, or users can use an existing RGB lighting control software from a major motherboard maker. Overclocking performance, solid dependability. Made for avid gamers, DIY enthusiasts, and overclockers, the SPECTRIX D80 provides a wide frequency range from 2666 MHz to 5000 MHz with support for Intel X299 2666 MHz and AMD AM4/Ryzen platforms. Also, pre-configured Intel XMP, Extreme Memory Profile, 2.0 profiles allow for quick overclocking, doing away with the need for adjusting individual parameters in BIOS. For added reliability and dependability, the module uses high-quality chips chosen through a strict selection process, while its 10-layer PCB offers improved signaling quality and stability, even when operating at high speeds or under heavy loads. ADATA XPG first introduced a prototype liquid-cooled memory design during CES 2018 in Las Vegas to much excitement. The XPG SPECTRIX D80 is the realization of the design's viability for a commercially available memory module.